Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to deactivate Facebook except Messenger. Now let's begin. As you can see, I'm already on the website facebook.com and logged into my account. Now from here, what I want to do is simply focus on the nav bar. On the rightmost section, next to this notifications icon, you will find your profile button right here. Just click on it. Now something like this will open up. What we simply need to look at is settings and privacy. Just click on it. Something like this will pop up once again. Likewise, click on the settings button right here. Now you'll be redirected to the settings page. On the left side of the screen, if you scroll down, well, there are lots of settings that you can look around. But right now, we simply want to deactivate Facebook. At the top right, under the Account Center tab, you will find something called as See More in Account Center. Just click on it. Right now you're in the Account Center page. There are lots of options here like Profile, Connected Experiences, Password and Security, Personal Details and everything. And right now what you need to do is simply stay on the Personal Details tab. Under the Personal Details tab, you will find something like Account Ownership and Control. Just click on it. It will then give you two options, Memorialization and Deactivation or Deletion. Click on the second option right here. Here's the account I want to deactivate. Again, it's giving me two options, whether I want to deactivate my account or completely delete my account. Once everything's alright, simply hit Uncontinue. It's gonna ask for your confirmation. Just enter your password right here. Once everything's done, hit Uncontinue. Now it's gonna ask you a reason of why you're deactivating Facebook. Simply select any one option of your choice, scroll down and hit on Continue. Finally, it's gonna show you a tab like this. At the very bottom, there's something like reactivating your account. Here's the drop down button right here that says automatically reactivate my account in. Simply click on it. There are lots of options ranging from many days, but we want to select don't reactivate automatically. Once everything's done, hit on continue. Now it's asking us for our final confirmation. Simply hit on deactivate my account, and there you go. Our Facebook account is successfully deactivated. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.